Welcome H.S.C. English First Paper Question -5 Fill in the gaps. Adolescents, on the B, their communities, schools, health services and their workplaces to C, a wide range of skills that can D, them to cope with the E, they face and make a successful transition from F to adulthood. Parents, members, G, the community, service providers, and H, institutions have the I, to both promote adolescent development and adjustment and to intervene, J, when problems arise. 05. Fill in the gaps using suitable words. Adolescents, depend on the B, families, their communities, schools, health services and their workplaces to C, learn a wide range of skills that can D, help, assist them to cope with the E, pressures, problems they face and make a successful transition from F, childhood to adulthood. Parents, members, G, of the community, service providers, and H, social institutions have the I, responsibility to both promote adolescent development and adjustment and to intervene, J, effectively when problems arise. Answer: depend B, families, C, learn, D, help, assist, E, pressures, problems, F, childhood, G, of H, social, I, responsibility, J, effectively. Thanks for watching.